Hello. This video course is Ansible 2 for Configuration Management, published by Pact Publishing. My name is Alan Hone. I'm the author of this video course. I have over 20 years of experience as a software developer, lead, manager, and software architect. My current title is Lockheed Martin Fellow, which means I contribute to the technical excellence of that organization, especially in DevOps. I'm the author of multiple video courses from Pact Publishing, including Hands-on Auto DevOps with GitLab CI. I have experience teaching technical topics during my whole career, including courses in Java, Agile, and DevOps that I've taught to hundreds of different students. I have a couple open source projects that I contribute to, and I have a blog that includes a contact form if you'd like to reach me. Outside of work, I enjoy spending time with family and hiking, as you can see in the picture. Let's take a moment and look at this course, Ansible 2 for Configuration Management. There are two main goals of this course. First, you'll learn why configuration as code is superior for configuration management. We'll show how two key principles of configuration management, the reliability of the systems we configure, and the visibility of system configuration are both met very well by configuration as code tools such as Ansible. Second, we'll explore Ansible through hands-on examples. We'll show all of the major features and we'll use them to configure real servers in a real cloud environment. Each video has a course section in the examples where you can see the example for that video and apply it for yourself. This course has 5 sections. In section 1, Getting Started with Ansible for Configuration Management, you'll see a complete Ansible demo. We'll install and configure Ansible, and we'll learn about its basic ideas. In section 2, Working on Ansible tasks and using variables, we'll look at each individual automated action that Ansible performs and how best to configure them. In section 3, Roles and Templates, we'll look at organizing the automation into logical groups that accomplish related functions, and we'll look at how Ansible has hundreds of roles that you can download and immediately start using to automate your systems. In section 4, Orchestrate Cloud and Container Environments, we'll show how Ansible can automate the creation and maintenance of resources in Amazon Web Services and other cloud environments, and how Ansible can interact with Docker and Kubernetes to orchestrate container environments. In section 5, Customizing Ansible Facts and Modules, we'll show how Ansible can be extended in any way we need by adding custom facts or custom modules, which are bits of Python code that add new capability to Ansible with limitless possibilities. There are a few prerequisites for this video course. You'll need some kind of text editor. I will be using Atom in the examples. You'll need access to a Linux physical or virtual machine. That will be our Ansible control machine. I'll be using Ubuntu 18.04. And we'll need access to physical or virtual machines that we will control with Ansible. In the course examples, I'll be using virtual machines in Amazon Web Services to run this automation. And the course example includes a complete Amazon Web Services environment that is set up for you by Ansible. So those are our prerequisites, and our course overall will give you a great picture at what Ansible can do and how it can be applied to configuration management. So let's get started.